We're here to celebrate a major accomplishment for this community. It's really a great day to witness such a project come together within a very short period of time. 4 months ago, we had a major flooding here that really devastated the community. And the governor asked us to make sure we restore mobility to the community. To come back 4 months later to see what's been done here, it's truly, truly amazing. And I can't thank our Bay Region staff enough for all the hard work they've done, working with the community, working with the local government agency to get all this work done.
The stories after post-flood of what people had to deal with. And yes, people having to canoe out of their homes to get to dry land because these roads were all destroyed, these bridges were destroyed. So yeah, it's emotional. These people's lives were absolutely devastated. And now today, because of what MDOT's been able to accomplish here, they're smiling and they're feeling really good about the future. They have some hope, which a few months ago they didn't have much hope.
So the first 2 months we had no way to get to the house except by kayak or walking across the riverbed. So we literally had to buy mud boots for us and the 4 kids and take turns with groceries walking across, being very careful with the rocks. It was about a quarter mile and uphill both ways, so we literally have a great story to tell our grandkids now. I mean, we're just ecstatic. It's 2 days before our wedding, so best present ever that we could ask for.
One of the things we've done very well at MDOT over the years is that we have a playbook for this kind of emergency. Anytime we have an emergency, all we have to do is just take it off the shelf and our team they go to work. And this is a true testament to the MDOT leadership in Bay Region. They did everything part of the playbook, and this is a result of that.